So a few days ago, you got rear-ended on the way to work. Luckily, you watched my video on what to do in the first 72 hours after a car accident. You exchanged info, took photos, and made an appointment to see me, a car accident specialist. All is good. Then you get a call from the other person's insurance company. The claims rep said she was sorry you were inconvenienced by the mishap and would like to help. The rep is very polite and kind and asks to meet you at home. You say you're busy, but she is very persistent. She says she can meet you at work or at a coffee shop, morning or evening, whatever works for you. You relent because you don't want to hurt her feelings because she is so darn pleasant. Besides, you think, what could it hurt? You arrive at the coffee shop and there she is in her smart blazer, a folio, and a latte for you. After listening to you go over how the mishap happened, she smiles and politely opens her folio and pulls out a legal-size envelope. With her eyes locked onto yours, she says, I think this will help with the inconvenience. I am offering to settle with you right now. Sliding a check in the envelope, she passes it across the table to you. The check is dated yesterday and made payable to you. The amount, $3,500. Before you can even respond, she goes on to explain how she got approval from her manager to give you a little extra above what most cases get for your type of injuries. She explains further, the $3,500 includes $1,500 to see a chiropractor for treatment within 60 days and $2,000 as compensation. Luckily, you watched my video and knew not to fall for this tactic. You politely declined and did not sign the papers she had or accept the check. Instead, you underwent careful chiropractic treatments with me. Based on your injuries and treatment, you received a fair settlement in a matter of months. Armand wasn't so lucky. He accepted a deal like that a few months back. He signed some papers and accepted a check for $2,500. He was told he could get treated by any chiropractor or therapist he wanted, up to $1,200, as long as it was within 90 days of the accident. Imagine his surprise and anger when I showed him his x-ray that proved ligament damage at 2 levels. He also had a mild concussion and back strain. I estimated he would require at least 3 months of treatment and would likely have permanent neck dysfunction due to damaged ligaments. That $1,200 wasn't going to go far. In fact, because he put off seeing me, he only had a few days left to get treated. I felt bad for Armand. He was taken advantage of. I see it all the time. The only silver lining for Armand was, because my personal philosophy is always make lemonade out of lemons, I was able to help him as much as possible on a tight budget. Stop and think about this, and you will understand why this tactic pisses me off. Sorry, but this abuse of accident victims like Armand really fires me up. The claims rep, before even talking with you, without a single medical document or x-ray, can tell you precisely how much treatment you need, how long it will take, and the cost. That's amazing. And bogus. Obviously, their numbers are all made up and have more to do with the brand of car you drive, the ethnicity of your last name, and your home zip code. They make offers based on those demographics, and the offers are always way too low. Understand this, I cannot tell you exactly how long your treatment will take or the total cost, even after I examine and x-ray you. Why? Because every accident and every patient is unique. A 22-year-old generally will respond faster than a 62-year-old. The 22-year-old is less likely to have arthritis like the 62-year-old. That's something that complicates recovery. Note this also, once you sign those papers, it's game over. What you just signed was a release of all liability. From that moment on, you cannot go back to them for more money or get more treatment. You've signed away your rights before you've even seen a doctor. That's what makes this tactic so grotesque and immoral. They do their best to catch you before you've seen a doctor like me. Before you learn the truth, the best way to prevent this from happening, refuse to meet them in person. Tell them that you would prefer to do everything through the mail or email. You will only respond to them in writing. This way, anything that they say, you'll have concrete proof of, and you will be able to respond to them thoughtfully. When they make an offer like this, you politely decline and say you will see your doctor, and you will call them when you're done with your treatment. And until you have completed your care, you have no idea what your medical bills will be or what your case is worth. Only then should you entertain any offers from them. Avoid this and other tricks the auto insurance companies try by following me here. If you've benefited from this information, please like and share with others, and make sure you're subscribed to catch all future content. If you're in the Orange County, California area and need help with your car accident injury, go to drbarrymarks.com. There you can find more information about car accident, whiplash, and concussions. You can also find out how to make an appointment for an auto accident severity evaluation at no upfront cost to you.